It is so easy to install a Doulton HBA MK2 filter that you can do it yourself. HBA MK2 filter housing has an inlet and outlet opening. You can use either side as the inlet depending on which side your water supply source is. The ball wall must go on the inlet side and the blanking plug must go on the other opening. Wrap Teflon tape around the threading of the blanking plug. Close either one of the openings with the blanking plug and tighten with a screwdriver. Pick up the inlet nipple and wrap the Teflon tape around its threading. Insert the Teflon wrapped side of the inlet nipple into the female side of the ball wall. Tighten with a spanner. Now let us ready the other end of the inlet nipple that has to go into the inlet opening of the housing. Wrap the thread of the inlet nipple with Teflon tape and insert into the inlet opening of the housing and tighten firmly. Yay! The housing is ready. As mentioned, you can switch the inlet to either side depending on which side your water supply source is. Take the HBA MK2 housing lid and insert the spout. Press firmly until you hear a click sound. You can see the threading of the spout where the candle's thread component would need to go in. Place the candle threading into the spout end and turn it to tighten the candle into the spout. Tighten it until you feel the washer on the candle's threading is just firmly squeezed into the inlet spout. Take the O-ring and press it firmly inside the housing to seat it on the steps inside the housing edge. Fit the filter element into the housing. Press and twist the component to lock it and tighten the wing nuts firmly. That's it, your HBA is now ready to be fixed to the wall. Drill in 2 screws aligned to the width of the slot and just hang the filter there. You can get these regular geyser pipes from any hardware store and attach one side to your water source and the other end to the inlet opening of the ball wall. And you're done. Alternatively, you can also use 2 plastic connectors like these with half-inch female flare by 3x8-inch male and 3x8-inch plastic hose pipe for filters. Put one connector to the faucet and the other to the ball wall. Just firmly insert the hose pipe to both the connectors and you're done. Open your water source and turn the handle of the ball valve to enjoy fresh, clean, healthy drinking water straight from the tap.